Muite huyu profesa. Si mungetaka kusikia sauti yake? Wewe profesa, najua huja kuwa kwa hii mambo yetu, lakini utazoea tu polepole. Kuja profesa, useme tu jambo, hao watu ya Kandara na watu ya Murang'a wakuone. Karibu profesa.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I'm very happy to be honored here. I think I'm used to teaching, but I've never been in a political gathering. But I'm very, very, very happy that I was chosen to lead the National Treasury and Economic Planning. I'm very happy that your leadership appreciates what we did at the Central Bank. Everybody remembers me because I fought through for M-Pesa. It is a platform that has been useful across the country. So I do believe that we are going to come up with innovative measures to revive our economy under the leadership of the President, Dr. William Ruto, and Deputy President, Bwana Rigathi Gachagua. I'm sure we are going to succeed with all the team that is there. Thank you very much. Nimetoka hapa tu location 3, hapa Loach location. Kwa hivyo najua mahali pote hapa, na nilienda shule hapa. So I'm very happy that you are able to see me. I hope you can see me. I'm usually challenged when it comes to height. Thank you very much.
Asante sana profesa wetu. Tunategemea wewe umsaidie rais wetu na serikali yetu turudishe Kenya pahali Mwai Kibaki alituacha. Siko namna hiyo? Na huyu profesa anatosha hatoshi? Sasa pia nichukue nafasi hii nimwalike Gathaitu ya Ruriri, Alice Muthoni Wahombe.
Yeah, thank you, our Deputy President, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, the moderator today led by Dr. Jesse Kamau. Actually, Reverend Jesse was our family reverend there at Roresho. And in this gathering, Wahome is here. Dr. Godfrey Wahome Ngayu, where are you, darling? Ndiye huyo mwenyewe. He has been escorted by his daughter, Wamboi. Thank you. Your Excellency. Yes, Boma iko na mwenyewe, si ndio? Your Excellency, I have been given just a few minutes. I want to really thank you for taking this opportunity to come and pray with the people of Murang'a. This particular service was convened at your request, Your Excellency, even before we had thought about it, and we therefore appreciate the entire leadership of Murang'a. Your Excellency, I was confirming to His Excellency, your deputy, that I won't speak long, although I'm suffering from withdrawal syndromes, because you see I'm now somewhere where you cannot speak politics, only development. And Dede Inooro was very quick to remind you, where utakuwa ukituangalia tukipiga siasa. Na nikasema ni kweli. Your Excellency, just to thank you very much for nominating and then appointing me with Professor Njuguna Ndung'u to be in your cabinet. For the first time, Kandara is having a cabinet minister, not one, but two cabinet ministers. And apparently, it is very clear that when you picked Professor Njuguna Ndung'u, it's because of the competence that he will bring to your cabinet and the country, because you did not even know where he comes from. You knew about the young lady of Kandara, but somehow, somewhere, what you looked at is Njuguna's CV, and you knew he would be of much value, good value to the cabinet. Your Excellency, we are working as a team, led here in the county by the governor, and we would seek for support. We have stood at this particular platform, Your Excellency. The last time we had a state, because this is in a way, it's a state function, was when we were burying Charles Rubia. Your Excellency, the words that have been stated here by Dede Inooro were repeated, and I think the political bag came to me a lot when we were here burying Rubia, and that is when I reminded His Excellency, the former retired president, that we must not allow the country to slide back to dictatorship, to slide back to impunity. And I think His Excellency was happy about those remarks, save that maybe the people who worked with him were not able to understand those particular values. Your Excellency, we want to encourage you to be a person that will be guided by governance, good governance, that Your Excellency, we know the road that you have walked, hard, tough. Impunity was the order of the day, that you yourself will not allow your government to actually do the same. For me and the people of Kandara, we cannot now ask you for water. Every time we used to ask for water, I know you will be telling me, sasa uko kwa hiyo docket. People of Murang'a, I know I will get support and goodwill, and we will not give Maji water to Murang'a. It will just be Murang'a also, and the entire country. What I will need from you, Your Excellency, is your support. I know you know where we are on that, and I have heard you saying you will be partnering with partners, other private partners, to ensure the entire country is able to access water. Thank you very much for this appointment. Asante sana. Na karibu tena na tena. Tutakugojea even another day. Your Excellency, this guy has now earned a new name. He was previously Kandara. Now he's popularly known as Rigi G. And you know, I saw him giving the owner, the person who baptized him, a job. Watu wa Kandara, mutige mwamuongerera ritwa ringi. Andu aya ni ega? Ni mukenete ni timu ino? President ye guku? Ni mukumunyiterera? Hau hangi githi mutikio ni haragitangathirwo? Mutigukihareria? Tutigugithio undu umwe? Na ni nyinyi mtaamua. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa. Naona ugali una siasa kidogo, lakini utaadjust haraka. Na Governor Kang'ata, tafadhali usikuje kuandikia Rais Ruto barua. Kama uko na maneno kwake kumefunguliwa, ulete maneno kule State House. Viongozi wetu wa kanisa, ningetaka tu kuhakikishia nyinyi ya kwamba the Ruto administration will protect and guarantee the freedom of worship. That is enshrined in the Constitution. Kanisa na makasisi wetu watapata heshima ya kutosha kutoka serikali ya Rais William Ruto. Your Excellency, the last time you were in Kenya, ulikuja pale kwa kanisa ya Independent, ukapigwa na tear gas ndani ya kanisa. Si mnakumbuka? Si amerudi hapa akiwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya? Si Mungu aitwe Mungu? Yule rais alipigwa na tear gas ndani ya kanisa kwa altar. Kwa sababu Mungu ni Mungu, amerudi hapa Kenya akiwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na amri jeshi mkuu. Your Excellency, ulikuwa mgeni wetu. Ulikuwa mgeni wa viongozi ya Mlima Kenya. Ulikuwa mgeni ya wakaaji wa Mlima Kenya. Na kwa sababu uliaibishwa na kuhangaishwa, kwa niaba ya viongozi wa Mlima Kenya na wakaaji, tunaomba msamaha. Please find it in your heart to forgive us for the treatment that you are subjected to when you are a visitor. At the same time, Your Excellency, the police officers and the administrative officers who were instructed to discredit the church, to throw tear gas at you, at our bishops, they reached me last night, and they too ask for forgiveness because walitumika vibaya and it was not their wish to desecrate the altar. Kwa viongozi wetu wa kanisa, mnajua hiyo tear gas haingetupwa kanisani kama Rais William Ruto na sisi hatungekuja. Na kwa sababu ya hiyo kitendo ilifanyika kanisani, kwa niaba ya rais wetu William Ruto na sisi ambaye tulikuja tukasababisha kitendo cha aibu ndani ya kanisa, mtusamehe. We like the church to forgive us for that desecration of the altar in a holy place. And I want to confirm to our churches across the country, the president has given instructions in his presidency. No policeman or any other law enforcement agency will ever desecrate the Church of Christ or go into the altar for whatever reason. Na kama officers wetu wa polisi kuna mtu wanatafuta na ako kanisani, wangoje nje, ibada ikiisha watafutana na yeye huko nje. Ndio tupate heshima ya kanisa kwa sababu ni muhimu sana. Kwa hivyo hiyo haitafanyika tena na hamtapata shida kama hiyo. Asante. Nimekumbushwa pia tuko na waziri Penina Malonza, waziri wetu wa utalii. Pigieni makofi.